Hey, this is Carl Anderson, General Manager with MarineMax in Charleston, and today I'm going to take you through a 2025 Sea Ray 230 SPX that we have available. Starting off with the transom, full walk-through transom. You can easily get from one side of the boat to the other. Got the gray sea deck flooring, the foam flooring throughout the entire boat, so nice and comfortable on your feet. Ski pole here on the aft end. This boat is powered with a Mercury 250 horsepower Verado V8 4.6 liter engine that features the nice top cowling service door. Great performance and power for this boat. Gets on plane really quickly and has a really nice top speed as well. Got a port side walk-through, access to batteries and the boat's battery charger, which is located right here. Got a door that closes and locks into place. Huge sunbed area. You can really comfortably stretch out, catch some sun. We have storage here in the floor. Battery switches are conveniently located. You can see we have the sports tower with the bimini top deployed. And you also have a ski tow bit on top of the tower in addition to what you have on the ski pole. You got L-shaped seating here in the cockpit. This is the stone gray colored upholstery. Incredibly comfortable boat. Sea Ray does an awesome job with all their upholstery from an aesthetic standpoint and just from a comfort standpoint. We do have space for a cooler underneath here, access to the fuel tank should you need it, built-in cooler box here that drains. We've also got a dedicated space for a cockpit table. Underneath the sunbed, got a nice storage garage, storage for the tables and storage for the bow filler cushion platform live under here. Port side, we have a forward-facing observer seat that has an adjustable backrest, so you can sit facing aft. You can lay this all the way down if you wanted it to really stretch out. We have storage beneath this seat and storage beneath this seat as well. So here at the helm on Sea Ray's 230 SPX, we have a Simrad touchscreen MFD that I currently have my engine data display, but obviously you got your sonar and your chart plotter here as well. We have digital throttle and shift with that Mercury V8 250 Verado, along with push start and stops. Active trim built into the binnacle. I have charging ports for my phones, cup holder, and then switches for lighting. This boat lights up really well at night with courtesy and blue LED lighting as well. Got a Fusion stereo head unit located right here. Bluetooth, of course. Angled footrest beneath the helm. This chair does swivel and slide. Nice comfortable bucket seat. We have a ski locker in the floor. Bow filler cushion stows here nicely in addition to all the canvas for the boat. Nice bucket seat, sport style seat. It does have a thigh-rise bolster if you want to sit up a little bit higher. Then coming further forward up front, we do have the ability to close off this windshield along with the block-off door. So I can separate the bow from the cockpit on those colder running days. Another bow table mounts right up here. Someone who's well over 6 foot tall can comfortably stretch out. Stainless steel grab rails located on each side. Notice the detail on the upholstery on these inlays here. Speakers, cup holders, everything you need to be comfortable on the water. Access to the anchor line is under here should you need it. And then we've also got storage beneath both of these seats that can also hold ice if you want to use them as coolers. And then this is where the anchor lives, under the anchor hatch. Nice dedicated space for that. And of course, navigation light and cleats up front. Before we go down to the head area, this is a pump out head, so you've got a dockside pump out attachment right here. And now we'll open up the head and see what's inside there. So here on the head, the 230 SPX, pump out porta potty toilet. Lots of space for storage as well. That's a walkthrough of our Sea Ray 230 SPX 2025 model year. Again, my name is Carl Anderson, General Manager at MarineMax in Charleston. If you have any interest in this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889 and always check us out online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.